Welcome to session 9 of our class. This week, you will only be working on one assignment. The only assignment this week will be in discussing the book that you selected for your book team project. Hopefully, you are finished reading or almost finished reading and taking notes about what you think is important to share with your classmates about the book you've been reading. When you're ready, click on the author of the book in Canvas assignment boxes on the home page in session 9, and you'll see that it opens up to a page that's going to be where you collaborate with your book team project members. First, you'll choose your color for the type you'd like to type in and put your name in that color. Then you will be typing out your thoughts about what you think is important to share with your classmates about the book. If you have any ideas about ways that it will be memorable to present this information to your classmates, or any great classroom applications or sport teams applications that you want to share, you can add those notes this week as well. This is your first planning session of 2 that you will do with your book team project members before you actually present toward the end of the course. Have a wonderful week.